right. Turn 3 pallets into trim boards, so it should be enough. I think we'll finish up the top floor. Beautiful day out here. Above 0 and melting. We'll certainly take it for March. An hour's worth of work, and that's what we get. Spent a little time today cutting these boards and sanding. All the offcuts, we're going to use them as trim as well. Try to use as much of the pallet as we can. Well, run out of material. I gotta go to the, I have to cut up some more. This was a pallet with some pretty long 1x2s. They're like 2.5 inches wide, but this is all I got so far. So if I can't find pallets with longer boards on it, I'll have to start cutting them out of regular pallets. But I think it'll be all right. The corner kind of bugs me a bit because it's kind of off to one side, but we could add another piece there just to even it out. We figured out how we're going to go around these corners. We got the walls done. Fixed the corner here. Looks a bit more balanced. Still got to do some, I got to get some more wide boards so we can finish this column up. But we're planning on doing a grid here. I'm not quite sure if I want to do that or not yet. I might do it. I haven't decided yet. We haven't decided if we're going to paint up here or not yet. I mean, this is a cabin. How far do you take it? All right. Till we get some more boards, some wider boards, do these columns. We're going to paint the floor before, the floor will get fixed up and painted, and then we'll put the bottom baseboards on, and we might say that's it. Still got to do the inside of the closet, but there's tons of stuff left to do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you like it, subscribe, comment. We love the comments. Keeps us going. You guys have a great week. Now, got some leftovers from my boating days. And I just cut this down. It's a terminal block. We're going to turn that into a junction for lights underneath here, and for 12 volt for the reefer, the freezer, chest freezer we have. It's 12 volt. We're running that off solar, so we'll be putting a cigarette lighter power plug in here, and that's what we'll be using. So this is all the stuff left over from my boating days, so the hoarding came in handy again. Alright, so when I get something done, I'll give you an update. Alright, as far as we got the wire run down here, underneath here, through here, and down here. That's where we're going to put the power outlet. Don't have enough stuff to finish up today. I need some cable grommets and so I can tie it to the wall and secure it. But I got something done today. Alright, out here on a new day. And we've got the wiring completed for the freezer and for the future underlight here. There'll be a battery powered light underneath here. And got a power socket here that should run the freezer down here. We're just out here for a short little walk. Starting to warm up, starting to melt. We just had a big snowfall again. So these are what I'm going to use for the 12 volt system. We're going to put one underneath the work area here. They're pretty cheap, but we'll see how they last. They're a low profile, and the LEDs, they won't use much wattage. All right, if I get one up, I'll show you where it looks like and how it works. All right. There we go. It has two settings. You can do one, or you can do two. One is fine. And a couple to put upstairs, and that's it. Alright, we've got the ceiling trim done. Yeah, it looks alright. Like you see, it's a rough room, workshop, storage. All right, on to the next project. All right. Alright, that job finished. See how long they last.